Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change lock screen wallpaper in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First, I lock my screen. With side key, I lock my screen. This is lock screen. Okay, this is lock screen wallpaper already set in my phone. If you would like to change this wallpaper to new one, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to wallpaper and style, and here select change wallpaper option, and here these are all the wallpapers that are available within your phone. These are all the featured wallpapers. You can select any one of them from here. Or you can select from gallery. If you have any photo, that photo can be set as wallpaper, or otherwise you can select from the graphical options and colors, then wallpaper services. Okay, then if you click on get more wallpapers, some more wallpapers can be downloaded from internet, and that can be used as screen wallpaper for lock screen or home screen. Here we would like to change lock screen wallpaper only. So here first of all, I show a demo using this featured wallpaper. I am selecting this wallpaper, and here I would like to change lock screen wallpaper only. So I go to select lock screen only here. So I untick home screen and click on next, and here click on done. Yes, this wallpaper will be applied now in lock screen. Check, go to side button, one press it, and see the lock screen. Lock screen wallpaper has been changed to what I have selected. If you would like to set your photo as wallpaper for lock screen, yes, you can do it. Again, go to the settings and go to wallpaper and style, and here click on change wallpaper and click on gallery. Here you can click on camera and select your photo. Here I have selected this photo and click on done, and this photo can be set as lock screen wallpaper. I have selected only lock screen here and click on next. And if you want to do some changes, some rearrangement, yes, you can do like this. Okay, then finally if you find this is okay and click on done. Yes, lock screen wallpaper has been changed to what I selected from gallery photos. See here, it has been changed. If you want to set back to default wallpaper, again go to the settings of your phone here, then go to wallpaper and style, and here click on change wallpaper and select this first one featured, and click on lock screen only and click on next and click on done. And yes, now it has been changed back to default wallpaper. In this way also you can bring back to original default wallpaper in your phone for lock screen in Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.